Hi and good afternoon. Just heading towards the Wilkos site, you know, the Talbot Gateway site. I was asked, can you just do a update on that? So, heading towards there. That in front of us, that's what was the Odeon Cinema. Now Funny Girls. Just heading, it's boarding all the way round now. You can't see a lot, to be fair. It's still really windy, really blowy. I'm presuming this is the best way to have a look. This is where they're going in and out. Sorry about the wibbly wobbly screen. Bloody cold. There you go. There's boarding literally all the way round now. I will try around the other side in a minute. That's where you're at. Quite a bit being done. Let's have a look up here. I'm going to take him some time on this one, isn't it? It's not like the Ambassador. There you go. If we can just get in between these. The other side in a minute as well and see if we can get anything in from there, but I'm not all that hopeful. Yeah, you can see there, it's just literally boarding all the way around the site. Yeah, for those that don't know, this was where North Station used to come through to, or was known as Talbot Station, I believe, in them days. This was where North Station came to. North Station now, well, as I'm walking around, I'll be able to show you anyway, in relation to here. I'll just wander up here a second. Yeah, they've got this boarding literally all the way around the site, so it's really difficult to get any decent pics for you, to be honest. I know at least a few people's asked for an update, but hard work it is. They're not daft, are they? Across the road, you have to remember it's two ways now. It used to be one way all the time here, but it's now two way. Well, it's been for a couple of years. Yeah, so you've got the North Station here, just there. If you look, there's quite a bit of a drop, to be fair. See that drop? Can you get it in on, I don't know if you can tell on camera. But yeah, there's quite a bit of a drop, really. But you've got those there now, the tracks coming in over there, but they used to come through here as well at one time, where the garages and Mecca and what have you. Let's see if we can get that in for you. I can't tell a lot on screen, to be fair. See where the Mecca is and the garage. It used to come through there. They were still there when we were little. I'm not keep saying kids when we were kids. When we were little, when we were nippers, it used to come through to there. And this was where it used to go to, what was the Wilkos site or Fine Fair. But, yeah, the old Fine Fair site, Wilkos, whatever you want to call it. But I think what I've just shown you is just about the only place you can get an actual view of what's happening. If you see it, it's all... So you can't get over or anything. That's what I'm saying before. You see how far down that is, but the tracks did used to come straight through. From there, pan round to there. Once again, can't see a lot. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to get a better picture, to be honest, to show you what is going on with it. I think that's just about as good as we're going to get. Let's have a look what we've got down here. Talbot Road we're on now. If anyone's wondering, if you're not au fait with the area. See how there's boarding just all the way round. You used to be able to see just opposite Mark Kelly's there, but they've boarded all that off now as well. You can see everything's come down. For those that's not seen the site for a while, there's literally everything's down and it's just rubble, as you could see before. So yeah, everything's literally just rubble in it. So that was the old, where the station came through to, and obviously the new, or been there donkey's years now, but the newer station. I don't think there's going to be anywhere else, to be honest. Yeah, before I was down at Derby Baths, what was Derby Baths, that's debunked basically, innit? Gone. No tunnels down there. If you've been following the tunnels, the secret, Blackpool secret tunnels. Although Graham did say there are, if you want to say, in fact, 3, which are the old sewers basically. Just one second, I just thought of something. You might need a ticket to get in there. Just thought of something. No, that's not going to work. Never mind. Yeah, so there's not going to be any better access point, but you can see it's all down now, all gone. So I can't get any better pictures for you, but there's literally boarding just all the way around. We'll keep you up to date if you like, but until then, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you want video in. If there's a particular area of Blackpool you want doing, just let me know. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a cracking day. Bye now. Yeah, just carry on a little bit. I've just walked around the corner. I did say goodbye and everything, but I've just walked around the corner and there is a little bit now. You can see, not a lot, but this is from the other side. Might get in a bit more. Let's have a look. Probably show you a little bit more, that does it. It's that great, that's probably why it's there, isn't it? So you can't see. Written down the mud. There you go. Yeah, it's just mountains, isn't it? That's just about it, really. So yeah, I had gone, and then walked around the corner, and there you go, probably the best view you can get from here. Come back a bit. It's difficult to get a shot with the rails. How's that? Any better? There you go. Oh, that was a little bit better, and you can see where it is. So everything's come down, obviously, you know, it's all levelled basically, ready for development now. So I will say, again, have a cracking day. Thanks for liking and subscribing. If you haven't yet, don't forget, press that bell icon, that lets you know when there is an upload. Thanks very much. Have a cracking day. Bye.